Welcome to the C for Beginners programming course. So my name is Tim Bachalka and your instructor in this course is Jason Fedden. Now I started out as a programmer in the 1980s and I've been a professional software developer ever since, as well as a teacher. Now I've actually got close to 200,000 students and 40,000 reviews for my various programming courses. And this year in 2017 I created the Learn Programming Academy with a goal to train 1 million people as software developers in the next 3 years. Now to help with that, I'm partnering with a group of instructors who've demonstrated a commitment to excellence and who have the right real-world programming experience and skills to help people just like you become professional software developers. Now Jason has been teaching students for over 12 years at over 10 different online universities. He's also instructed over 20 different computer science related classes. And he's actually been developing software for over 16 years in the real world at various companies and has years of experience, commercial experience with the C programming language. Now he's extremely well qualified to teach this course and has put together a great C course that really covers most of the essential concepts and technology needed to master the C programming language. Now we designed this course for anyone wanting to learn C, and by the end of the course you will have obtained the skills to develop your own C programs. Now Jason starts with an overview of C and the language features and then gets down to the business of teaching you C from scratch. Now everything is explained in a logical order and each section of the course is designed to build upon the concepts taught in previous sections. Now at the end of this course you will have a concrete understanding of C and you'll also be able to build your own C projects. Now the essential student for the course, the ideal student for the course I should say, is someone who has no or a little programming experience or training. Now there's no other requirements needed to enroll in this course other than having access to a computer. Now if you're looking to get your first or a better programming job or to freelance as a software developer, then this course will definitely help you. Feel free also to look through the course description on this page for more details, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.